niyyah, intention, that you are making wudu for salah, and begin saying Bismillah in the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. Wash both hands up to the wrist 3 times, making sure that water has reached between the fingers.
Number 2.
Put a handful of water in your mouth and rinse thoroughly 3 times.
Number 3 and 4.
Sniff water gently into your nostrils 3 times to clean them, and then wash the tip of your nose.
Number 5 and 6.
Wash your face 3 times from the lobe of your right ear to the left ear, from your hairline, forehead to your chin.
Next.
Wash your right arm, then your left arm thoroughly, from wrist up to and including your elbow 3 times.
And
Move the wet palm over your head from top forehead to the back of the head.
Number 9.
Pass the wet tips of index fingers into the grooves and holes of both ears, and also pass the wet thumbs behind the ears.
Number 10.
Finally, wash both feet and including the ankle, starting from the right, making sure that water has reached between the toes and all other parts of the feet.
At the end.
At the end of all above steps, recite Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Meaning, I testify there is no God but Allah, and He is one and has no partner. I also testify that Muhammad is His servant and messenger. You should repeat your wudu after natural discharge, urine, stool, wind, and the like, flow of blood or pus from any of the body, full mouth vomiting, falling asleep.
MashaAllah, you understand?